Oh, that doesn't look great.
It's fun. It feels good. It like stretches your back. Just there's a tree. If you go way back there, there's a tree, and it's like it must be ready to break because every time the wind blows, it's like.
Try to go upside down.
Oh, it makes sound?
Upside
down.
down. It sounds like
down.
there's a
Yeah. That'd be epic. What do you mean upside
It's
down?
kind of cool.
Like upside down, like.
No, Ryan, you should run from here.
Reality
Oh.
Dude, swing like that.
Dude, I'm not strong enough.
Or run from here and swing and then jump and grab that.
Okay, dude, I got it.
Yeah, right.
You're gonna do the upside down thing?
No, I already tried it on my own. Give me a second, I'm gonna try.
Yeah, you have to do it.
Oh my god. So wait, how do you do the upside down?
Dude, I don't think that's a good idea,
I
man.
don't think that's a good idea,
That would
Josh.
be fucking awesome.
I think you can do it.
Oh, do you think it'll hold? I think it's about as good of an idea as eating prickly pears.
First of all, just try it. Just try it standing there. You don't have to.
Dude, why don't we move this
Dude, I can't. I don't think I'll be able to do that.
What? Oh!
And then you have to swing.
Okay, you can do it then.
I don't want him to slip. No, don't do
That's
it.
hard.
Becca, if he falls in, you have to sit next to him in the car on the way back.
You like heavier when you do that.
Yeah, it's way harder.
That's hard. I don't know.
See what you can do
I
with
feel
those
like if I
$15 boots.
what?
Look what you can do with $15 boots.
$17.
I feel like if I push it enough, it'll just snap.
15 plus tax.
17.
17.
Oh, were they 17?
Does that feel good on your back?
Is it making you taller?
Actually, it does
Stretching
feel
you
pretty
out?
good.
Yeah, it
It's like
stretches out your
hanging
back.
She's gonna be taller now. Oh, it is hard to like.
Lift up.
Oh, she did a pull up.
It's a lot harder.
Why is that?
Because it's centrifugal force.
Try to do 10 in a row.
Justin, are you having fun running through the poison oak?
I haven't jumped any places. I like jumping around the rocks though.
It looks pretty good.